Hello, everyone. Thanks, Oleg, for arranging this Finnish Games Career Day, and thanks everybody who's participating. I think Finland is a great place to work and live, and we'd be really fortunate to have you as a part of our community. And I know you've heard about many interesting companies and many opportunities they have, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about DoDreams. So our slogan at DoDreams is more than games. So though we are a game studio, we're a mobile game studio, our aspiration is higher. We'd like to do something that's even more meaningful and impactful in people's lives than just playing games. So our mission is to craft shared moments of thrill. If you look at a lot of the mobile games out there, they do offer really great competitive experiences, but quite often you're competing against faceless strangers. So we'd like our games to bring friends and family together to play. And we started off with local multiplayer games that you play on the same device with one or more friends. And now in recent years, we've expanded into different forms of online multiplayer gaming. And this is how we want to stand out. We're the developers of Drive Ahead. So Drive Ahead is a gladiator car fight game where you get points by hitting your friends in the head with a car. And the game is now 5 years old, and by the end of the year, we will have 150 million downloads. So it truly is the best of head-to-head battlers, and it's a really fun game. So Drive Ahead has a core gameplay that's physics-based, so it's really a lot of fun to play, and found that actually it's a game that people enjoy watching and spectating. So if you search for Drive Ahead on YouTube, you'll see tons of video replays shared. And if you check out our community on Discord, you'll see that it's also a rare example of a mobile game where a casual mobile game where people want to spend time in a community. And we are based in Helsinki, Finland, though we are, of course, working remotely now, as most game studios are doing. And if you are passionate about learning and having impact, then I think you'll enjoy being a part of DoDreams. So we have a culture of learning, and of course I don't mean that we don't know what we're doing. It's more about continuously improving and becoming better in your craft. So we take several days a month for different kinds of rapid learning exercises and workshops. So one of them is DoDreams Day, where you can do whatever you want for a full day to, either develop deeper into your own craft or broaden your understanding of making games and entertainment in general. We do hackathons in-house where we together decide on some theme. For example, day zero experience in the game, and then we encourage the team to come up with things they think are broken there or could be better. People pitch different kinds of ideas, and that's how we form teams that solve problems for our players. So these are different things that we do for learning, and then we do proto jams, of course. So it's important to develop your prototyping skills the same way an athlete develops his or her muscles. So we're constantly looking for new ideas that we can introduce either to the existing game or publish as a standalone title to expand our portfolio. Now, the second thing we're really passionate about is impact. So there's two things there. One is impact as an individual in your work, and then the second is the impact that we can have on gaming culture and the gaming industry. So we focus a lot on feature owners. So everybody should be an owner of something in our company. It can be a simple individual task in a sprint, or some complete feature that we're going to ship in the next update, or it can be that you're the owner of some area of our business or operations. And this is something that we focus on a lot, and we've found that it's the best way to give team the autonomy and authority to make the best possible decision in game development. So you always have to think what's best for the game, for the fans playing the game, and what would help us reach our targets with our games the best. So that's the part about having impact in your own work, and we want to make Drive Ahead a top grossing head-to-head battler, because we feel that if you want to have a game that has huge impact on consumer culture, then they tend to be top grossing games. So the games where people spend the most time and money, they are the games that have the biggest impact on culture and the industry. So we already have a game that's growing massively daily through word of mouth, and has a huge install base, and people love spending time in the game and in the community around it. And now we're going through this kind of business model transformation where we want to lift the lifetime value of our users by introducing a really cool new meta game into Drive Ahead. So there's lots of cool stuff happening with the studio, and I'm sure you could have a very big role in making that happen, and maybe learn something at the same time. Our goal is to have as much fun making games as playing them. So Drive Ahead is the best of head-to-head battlers, and we take that very seriously. We commit to our fans. It's something we take very seriously, and we feel that especially during these times when people are in isolation, we are honor bound to provide them with quality entertainment. But making games should be fun, and that's something that we focus on in our culture a lot. So we're hiring a senior game developer. So if you think that DoDreams is a place where you would be happy and you could be successful and you could help us grow Drive Ahead and make new games, then we'd love to hear from you. I'll be at our company virtual booth after this presentation if you want to come and chat, or you can reach out in other ways as well. So that's all for me today. Thank you.